There's a place in Florida where the oak trees lean and grow, where the champions of yesterday still ride in the afterglow. Hooper raised his derby colt on this Ocala ground, where the limestone holds a legacy that never makes a sound. And the drama